In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Monopoly Go on your iOS device. If you're a fan of classic board games and love the convenience of playing on your phone, then getting Monopoly Go on your iOS device is something you definitely want to do. Let's walk through the steps together to ensure a smooth and successful download experience. First, you need to open the App Store on your iOS device. Now, if you're accessing App Store from your home screen, you'll see that iconic blue icon with a white A made from paintbrushes. It's likely one of the most frequented apps on your device and fairly easy to spot. Tap on the icon to open it. This is your one-stop platform for a vast range of applications, including, of course, the Monopoly Go app. With the App Store open, direct your attention to the search bar at the bottom of your screen. You'll notice this has a magnifying glass icon. The search functionality here is quite intuitive. Tap on this search icon and the search bar will appear at the top of the screen, ready for you to type your inquiry. Enter Monopoly Go into the search bar. While typing, you might notice that suggestions drop down based on what you're entering. You can either continue typing or select Monopoly Go from the suggestions if it appears. This helps ensure the search processing is seamless and takes you directly where you want to go. After executing your search, a list of results will populate your screen. Among the list typically featuring diverse applications, you'll see Monopoly Go. It should be near the top of the list, recognizable with its own distinct icon. Before proceeding, it's always a good idea to quickly verify if it's the right app, especially if you're new to downloading. Check the developer information and make sure it aligns with your expectations for the game you want. Next, you'll see a blue button labeled Get adjacent to the app name. Go ahead and tap this Get button. This is essentially agreeing to download the app to your device. Once you've tapped, your device may prompt you to confirm through your password, Face ID or Touch ID, depending on your specific security settings. Accept these prompts to proceed with the download. Once confirmed, the download should begin. You can keep track of its progress through the circle that appears in place of the Get button. After a short wait, depending on your internet speed, the download will complete and the button will change to Open, signaling it's ready for use. And there you have it, you've successfully downloaded Monopoly Go. Now you can immerse yourself in all the exciting features of this classic game brought to life digitally. Thanks for following along with this tutorial, and I hope you enjoy your game time adventures with Monopoly Go.